Do you like Dungeons and Dragons? What about mythology? Better yet, what about Dungeons and Dragons mixed with mythology? Hi, I'm Devin A.C. Dadah, a podcast host, YouTuber, and role-playing game enthusiast. See, what a lot of people don't understand is that Dungeons and Dragons monsters all have their origins. Whether it is from ancient mythology or Gary Gygax himself, every monster comes from an idea. Now you're probably thinking, well of course Mr. Devin, but what makes you different from all the other Dungeons and Dragons lore channels? Well, kind viewer, what makes me different is that I go beyond the book to find that idea. I don't only give you the complete rundown of a monster, I also give you that monster's origin story from real-life mythology. As a dungeon master myself, I have found that diving deeper into a monster not only gives me plenty of story and plot ideas, but also puts me in that monster's shoes. It helps me understand why a monster does something, how it would react, the actions it would take in combat, and how your adventuring party should view that creature. So if that interests you, if you're a game master who wants to create real immersion for your players, if you're a player who wants to foil your dungeon master's plans, or if you just like unique and interesting monsters to rack your brain with, then this channel is for you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell for weekly videos. And welcome, legend, to the Warrior Mythos.